I was about to do that, bro.
Alright, now I gotta do this for 3 minutes.
Oh, can I do it?
Yeah, stir that. Be careful. Don't splash it in my meat. Be slow. You gotta boil it for 3 minutes. Need a final lid.
Doing tacos again. Is that enough?
That's not the lid. I don't know where that other lid went. It's right there.
What the No. No, what the heck?
Well, so we don't have to get rid of nothing. Relieved about that. I need to tell my friend Jackie she can go ahead and rent her trailer out.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think she's fully. Oh, you're recording. I don't.
Oh. Nothing worked. It's not working, bruh. This is not working. Right. Ah!
Tomorrow we'll use some time. Look at they smell.
Guess what? Daddy has his job.
You proud of Daddy?
Oh my God, bruh, stop.
Daddy.
Ah. No.
You proud of Daddy?
Yes.
Me too.
What is that? What is that in the
It's a noodle, a little piece of ramen. You want it? Eat
yeah.
it. I'll give you $50 if you eat it. I'm just kidding. That's what my dad used to do when I was a kid. He'd be like, eat my toe jam, I'll pay you $100. That's what he did too.
What, in 1997?
Yeah, you're probably right on that. I was
Yo,
6.
let's go! That was like, that was what I say, 1996.
Okay. Alright, we need to get the lettuce out, the cheese,
Well,
the
they-
sour cream.
Will they stop making pennies in 2026?
No, they stopped making them this year. They cost too much, I guess. Canada got rid of theirs right over 10 years ago.
Cheese!
Get the cheese.
Cheese! What is it?
Look, I need to dump that sour cream. Where's my other sour cream?
I don't know.
Daddy wants his olives.
Olives. Goes right here.
Bag of cheese.
We got
Lettuce.
2 bags of cheese. Hold on.
I thought
We got 2 bags of cheese.
Alright, stop. That one's not closed all the way because somebody didn't close it.
Where's it?
Let's move this all the way. This melted everywhere. I gotta get the shells in. And then it'll be ready.
I like
It will be ready, y'all.
oh, what's up to all of the gang?
Well, I don't know what they're doing. Alright. Dish pods. you take a bath, you have to come get me for the soap.
I want to make thumbnails on my videos. I want to make thumbnails on my videos.
Yeah, you can do that.
But it wants to ask your phone number.
Does it really?
Yeah, it wants to tell me to access your phone number.
I'll do that later and look at it, okay?
Okay.
Where'd you do it, Daddy's Olives? Oh. Oh yeah, we got fire sauce. I don't want to use that packet. Well, you can use it.
No, I don't want the packet.
I'm using that for my
I just want
tacos.
this one.
Alright, we got the sauce.
Taco Bell.
Let's snip a little tiny corner off. Perfect.
Don't look.
Alright, let's get the plates together. Which one of these? Where to use these?
Well, I want the big ones.
Yeah. You want red or black? I guess it don't matter.
Red and I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna do black.
Okay. The hard shells will be done in 4 minutes, or under 5 minutes. And then we'll heat up the soft shells.
Oh, wait. Create your own on your cryo skin now. No! I want to make a Roblox skin. I want to make a Roblox skin. Roblox. I want Roblox. I want Roblox. We stop and recording. I can't use my